Thanks, sir. Enjoy the ride. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Twoloosebricks Adventures, Bricksters and Lego friends. Don't forget your VIP ticket to enjoy all the fun right here in the amusement park. Thanks, guys, for clearing that space for me. And now, without further ado, with a snap of our magic wand, what shall appear? And there we have it! It's the coaster, yes, the big Creator roller coaster. I just had to get it, of course, and put it in with here because, you know, it's part of an amusement park. So, there it is. And it sits beautiful right here on the corner. Got the construction guys are down there putting in the final foundation parts of it for me. And I'm telling you, this looks really sweet sitting here on this side of the amusement park with everything, all the rides and everything. So we're going to get that wired up and get it going, and we'll be able to show that to you. And of course, we have still got the carousel and the Ferris wheel. The one thing I did not buy, and I regret not buying, was the fairground mixer. However, I've been going through my hundreds and thousands of parts trying to source all my parts to get that built. And I've pretty much got all the parts that I need for one, because I'm not building the car for it, I'm just building the ride itself. So that should fit perfectly in this amusement park somewhere, and there is a big overview of it right there. It fits in beautifully, and that's all I got to say about it. So that's just a quick short update. I'm going to have another video in a couple days with it motorized, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks, guys. See you shortly.